Hi everyone, welcome to the Softycus YouTube channel. Today I will explain Odoo configuration with Visual Studio Code in Windows environment. First of all, I have downloaded VScode and Odoo 14 exe file from official site. I will mention all URL links in video description. Okay, let's install VScode first. Okay. After it's done, I will install Odoo 14 like other software. Double click on this exe file and yes, okay, click OK. Now click next, then again click I agree, and we should install both. Then default settings are okay. Now we should find location to install Odoo 14. In here I have created a folder for Odoo. I will create another folder for Odoo 14 inside Odoo folder because I am planning to install Odoo 13 and another versions also in this machine. And then select folder and click OK. Just click install. It will take some time. Therefore we will meet again after finish this installation. Great, Odoo 14 is successfully installed. Okay, I will check Odoo is working or not. Okay, so automatic loading Google Chrome or other default browser. Okay, Odoo is working. Okay, I will open the Visual Studio Code. Oh, sorry. First, we should stop Odoo services from services and just click open services. Okay, let's find Odoo service. Right click on Odoo service, then click properties. Then first of all we should stop the service. We should change startup type as a manual or disable, then click on OK. After refresh Odoo page, default Odoo service is not working. Okay, I will open new Visual Studio Code Windows. I will maximize it. Now we should open Odoo source code from Visual Studio Code. Just click open file, then find a location which we install Odoo in Odoo folder. We must open Odoo server folder only. This is the time for add configuration file to Visual Studio Code. Before configure it, we must open Python coding file. Okay, let's find Python coding file in add-ons folder. after open the Python file, we can see in bottom bar with Python version which we are currently used. Okay, let's add configuration file. Click run, click add configuration, then click Python. Okay, it will show a default Python configuration file, but we have to change this Python configuration file. And I already attached default Python configuration file with this video description. We can change. I will open this file from Notepad and copy this configuration to our Visual Studio Code configurations. Let's change this configuration file with our project. Okay, first version should not change. Okay, and also the name field, we can use any name for this configuration, and time should be same, and request also same. And in the Python, we have to mention our Python install location. Let's find our Python location. This is the location in Python installed for Odoo. Let's copy this location and paste into the configuration file. In the console line, we have two options: integrated terminal and external terminal. If we want to use VScode terminal, we should type integrated terminal. And also, if you want to use Windows terminal, we should type external terminal. And in the program menu, Odoo bin should not change, and Odoo configuration conf file also same, and others are okay. All configurations are done. Now let's start the service from Visual Studio Code. Click run. We have two options, debugging and without debugging. And this time I am running without debugging. It will take some time. Okay. We should allow. Let's check in the web browser. Okay, it is successfully loading. But we cannot see any login terminal. Therefore, we have to change configuration file. This is the button for stop the service, and let's open the Odoo configuration file. I will comment the file location and again start the service. Okay, now we can see live log files in the terminal. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment this video. Please subscribe Softycus YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And goodbye.